Top 3 fruits to detox kidneys. Our kidneys play a crucial role as the unsung heroes of detoxification, tirelessly filtering impurities and excess waste from our bodies. Much like we prioritize skincare for radiant skin, it's essential to pay attention to our kidneys, especially through our dietary choices, particularly at the start of the day. If you're eager to support your hardworking kidneys, stick around till the end for a fantastic kidney detox juice recipe. But before we dive into that, let's explore in more detail the top 3 fruits ideal for breakfast to detoxify kidneys. Trust me, your kidneys will appreciate it. Ready to learn more? Let's begin. Number 3. Apples. The humble apple does more than just keep the doctor away. It can also significantly aid kidney health. Apples are not only delicious but also rich in fiber, aiding in waste elimination and alleviating pressure on the kidneys. Moreover, their natural pectin content helps reduce cholesterol levels, thereby lowering the risk of kidney diseases and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Additionally, apples contain anti-inflammatory compounds, benefiting kidney health by reducing inflammation, a common factor in various kidney conditions. With a relatively low glycemic index, apples release sugar slowly into the bloodstream, making them suitable for those with diabetes. Incorporating apples into your breakfast is simple and versatile. Enjoy them fresh, sliced in oatmeal, mixed into yogurt, or blended into smoothies. For a delightful treat, try apple compote or baked apples with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Number 2. Blueberries. Despite their small size, blueberries pack a powerful nutritional punch, making them an excellent choice for supporting kidney health. Their vibrant hue comes from anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that protect cells from free radical damage, which is crucial for kidney health. Blueberries are also rich in vitamin C and manganese, bolstering immune function and enzyme activity, respectively. These berries possess remarkable anti-inflammatory properties, aiding in reducing inflammation, a common factor in kidney conditions. With their high dietary fiber content, blueberries promote digestive health and help maintain balanced blood sugar levels. Enjoy them fresh on cereals, stirred into oatmeal, blended into smoothies, or as toppings for pancakes drizzled with honey or maple syrup. Number 1. Pomegranates. Often hailed as a superfruit, pomegranates are a true powerhouse when it comes to supporting kidney health. Pomegranates are renowned for their rich antioxidant content, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, which help reduce oxidative stress, thereby decreasing inflammation and potential kidney damage. These antioxidants also boost nitric oxide levels, essential for maintaining healthy blood vessels crucial for kidney function. While pomegranates contain potassium, which can be beneficial for kidneys, moderation is advised for those with kidney issues. Incorporating pomegranates into your breakfast routine is both delightful and creative. Sprinkle the ruby red arils over cereal, oatmeal, or yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or enjoy a glass of freshly squeezed pomegranate juice. In summary, nature offers abundant options for supporting kidney health, from apples and blueberries to pomegranates. Each of these fruits provides essential nutrients that benefit kidneys, making them ideal for inclusion in a balanced breakfast. Remember, moderation is key, and consulting a healthcare professional for dietary changes is advisable, especially if you have specific health conditions. Now, let's prepare that kidney detox juice, shall we? Gather an apple, blueberries, and half a pomegranate for a vibrant and nutritious blend that will give your kidneys the boost they need. Ready to create a refreshing kidney detox drink? All right, let's gather up what we need. Begin by obtaining an apple, core and slice it with care. Then snag a handful of those juicy blueberries. Dive into a pomegranate and carefully extract the seeds from half of it. Notice the vibrant color of the seeds as they tumble out. It's truly captivating. Feeling a bit extra? Grab a slice of cucumber, it's super hydrating. Oh, and let's not forget a little kick, a piece of fresh ginger. Not only is it zesty, but it also boasts incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Lastly, choose either water or coconut water to achieve the desired consistency. Personally, I love the tropical vibe from the coconut water. All right, now that we have everything, let's get blending. Pop all the ingredients into your blender and give it a whirl until it's smooth as silk. If the mixture seems a tad thick, simply splash in a bit more water or coconut water. Once everything is blended to perfection, pour it into your favorite glass. For a finishing touch, sprinkle a few pomegranate seeds on top, or perhaps even add a mint leaf for a burst of freshness. Now, sip and savor this delightful elixir. Cheers to a healthy, tasty treat. Remember, while our juice is a wonderful addition to a kidney-healthy diet, it's not a magical solution. Consistency in maintaining a balanced diet, adequate hydration, regular exercise, and periodic health checkups are essential for overall health and vitality. Here's to happy kidneys and a healthier you. Cheers!